Hey everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of creating your very own mobile app. We'll cover everything from the initial concept to getting it running on your phone. We'll be using some cool tools and techniques, so let's dive in. Today, we're going to cover getting an API key, using Kimi to write a web page in HTML, using CodePen to host a web page, and transferring it to AT Inventor to make a mobile app. Let's start with the concept of vibe coding. Vibe coding is all about creating user interfaces and experiences that resonate with your audience. It emphasizes intuitive design, smooth interactions, and overall feel of the app. Instead of focusing solely on functionality, vibe coding takes into account the emotional response your app evokes. This means paying attention to things like color schemes, typography, animations, and sound effects.
Many apps rely on external data or services. To access these, you'll often need an API key. An API key is like a password that identifies your app to the service. Let's get an API key from YouTube of API service. First, go to their website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API or developer section. Look for an option to create a new API key or application. Give your application a name and description. You may need to agree to the terms of service. Once you've done that, your API key will be generated. Keep this key safe and don't share it publicly.
Now, let's build the basic structure of our app using HTML. We'll be using a LLM called Kimi to simplify the process. Mickey allows you to visually design your web page and then generates the HTML code for you, without coding using vibe coding agents. Next, we'll use CodePen to host our web page. CodePen is a free online code editor and hosting platform. It's perfect for prototyping and sharing web projects. Go to CodePen.io and create a new pen. Paste the HTML code we generated from Kimi into the HTML editor. You should see your web page rendered in the preview pane. CodePen gives us a live URL for our web page. We'll need this URL to integrate our web page into our mobile app using AT Inventor. Now for the exciting part, turning our web page into a mobile app using AT Inventor. AT Inventor is a visual programming environment that makes it easy to create Android apps. Create a new project in AT Inventor. Drag and drop a WebViewer component onto the screen. In the Properties panel, set the home world property to the URL of your CodePen web page. We can add functionality to our app using the blocks editor. For example, we can add a button that refreshes the web page. The possibilities are endless. To test our app, we'll need to install the AT Inventor companion app on our Android phone. Connect your phone to your computer and scan the QR code in AT Inventor, your app will appear on your phone. Congratulations! You've successfully created a mobile app from a web page using vibe coding principles, an API key, Kimi, CodePen, and AT Inventor. This is just the beginning. Experiment with different APIs, UI designs, and App Inventor components to create even more amazing apps.